Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding.
Divide into pieces. Discerp, dismember. Take apart into its constituent pieces. Break apart, break up, disassemble, dismantle. Make a mathematical, chemical, or grammatical analysis of. Break down into components or essential features. Analyze, analyze, break down, dissect.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.